This is Jane, the head of customer education at a well-known SaaS company. Jane has been building out their product training content for a while. She has an academy full of on-demand courses complete with guides, videos, and quizzes. Despite all their excellent work, Jane and her team still have one big problem. Customers are simply not engaging with their content, so they continuously have to run live training sessions. The head of customer success would love for his team to not have to teach customers the same things again and again. And the entire company would love to see product adoption and customer growth go up. Introducing Strigo's product education platform. Jane can now bring the learning experience right into the product where her learners will get the most value out of it. With interactive hands-on courses that are shown alongside the product, they can learn how to become productive users at their own pace. Together with real-time feedback based on their activity, they benefit from immersive experiences that keep them fully engaged while learning. Jane and her team also have an activity dashboard where they can monitor overall performance and individual learner progress. And the results? Now that Jane and her team can deliver highly effective product training at scale, their learners can quickly turn into fully productive users all on their own. The customer success team reduced the number of in-person touches and can finally focus on the tasks that really make a difference. The whole company benefits from growing product adoption and customer growth. And, perhaps most important of all, their customers finally have the knowledge they need to really make the product work for them. Strigo, the future of product education. For more information, visit us at strigo.io.